Seven, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Hello friends, it's Raj. So this is my unboxing video of the Mi Rollerball Pen which I bought a few months back. Actually, I bought this pen as a filler with another product to avoid shipping charge. So this pen is available for Rs 179 from Mi India stores. Even though this pen has got both black and white variants, only the white variant is available in Indian stores. So let's see the white variant up closer. It has got a metallic clip, a polycarbonate ABS body with some inner copper sleeves. You can also see that they have added some protection to its ball. So let me take the refill out. The Mi pen uses pre-made refills with Swiss design, and the ball is made of tungsten carbide which provides up to 0.5 mm precision. Mi claims that they are using special Mikuni liquid gel ink in the refill. The copper rotating sleeves on the inside helps to improve the holding comfort. Now some remarks. Even though the white color looks charming, you won't be able to keep this pen clean for long. The white color will get dirty for sure, but can be cleaned. Another thing is, Xiaomi says the refills can be purchased separately, but it is not available from the Indian online stores. Maybe it is available from their offline stores. I am not sure about that. It's actually a good pen for filling up forms and signing documents. However, I won't suggest it for long writing. Finally, in my opinion, the pen is really comfortable to hold and is a steal for the price paid. Hope the video was useful. Peace.